let's cut to the fluff and get straight to the point. If you're looking to lose fat, you don't need gimmicks, magic pills, or overpriced plans. The truth? Losing fat comes down to simple, proven science. And I've got some tips that actually work. But first, here's my daughter's joke to kick us off. Did you hear the story about the skunk? Never mind, Dad. It stinks. Alright, let's dive into the real deal on losing fat effectively. Number 1. The core principle. Eat less, move more. Here's the thing. No matter what you hear, it all boils down to creating a calorie deficit. That means consuming fewer calories than you burn. You can do this by eating less, moving more, or ideally a combination of both. It's simple math, but it's powerful. Remember, this isn't about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. It's about balance and consistency. Number 2, the power of accountability. Now, here's something that can make all the difference. Accountability. Losing fat is tough to do alone, but having someone or a group to cheer you on can be a game changer. Start a group chat with your friends. Share what you're eating. Send pictures of your meals and check in regularly. Knowing someone else is watching can keep you on track. It's like having your own little cheerleading squad. Think of accountability as the safety net that catches you when motivation dips. Number 3, track your food. This tip is backed by science, and it's incredibly effective. Track what you eat. There was a study that showed people who tracked their food, even without exercising, lost weight. Why? Because tracking increases awareness. When you see what you're eating, you naturally make better choices. Think of it like a spending budget. If you don't know where your money is going, it's easy to overspend. The same goes for calories. Apps like MyFitnessPal or even a simple notebook can help you stay on top of it. Start small. You don't have to track forever. Just a week or 2 can give you amazing insights into your eating habits. Number 4, move in a way you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to mean hitting the gym or running marathons. Find something you love. Dancing, hiking, walking your dog. The goal is to move your body more in a way that feels good to you. Movement isn't just about burning calories. It boosts your mood, strengthens your heart, and keeps you energized. It's a win-win. Quick tip. Want to lose fat fast? Science says, eat less, move more. It's that simple. Track your food. It increases awareness and leads to better choices. Stay accountable, grab some friends, share your progress, and stay motivated. Number 5, build habits, not restrictions. The best way to lose fat and keep it off, build habits you can stick with. Extreme diets or workout plans are temporary fixes. Instead, focus on small, sustainable changes like swapping soda for water or taking a 15-minute walk after dinner. Think of it like building a house. Laying one brick at a time creates something solid and lasting. Quick fixes? They're like a house of cards, bound to collapse. Here's the recap. Eat less, move more, track your food, and stay accountable. No magic, no fluff, just results. Which one of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So take that first step today. You've got this. And if you found these tips helpful, share them with a friend who might need a little motivation. Together, we can make healthy living simple and achievable for everyone.